Okay, it's now come back on. It's now flashing. So if you go to your Wi-Fi settings on, for me, my iPad, and you can now see that there's one called Solis. So if you click onto that, you want to connect to it. So if it asks you for a password, the password is 1234567889. Ignore the fact that it says no internet connection. You want to open up Safari, and in Safari you are going to type the following IP address. Sounds complicated, but it's not. So you're going to put 10 10 100.254 and hit return. You're going to put in admin and 1234567889 and sign in. You want to keep trying Wi-Fi when it comes up to this. So what you're seeing now is the ability, you've logged into the Wi-Fi dongle. So now you can go into quick set.